Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iMessage notification not showing on lock screen on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, make sure that the D&D mode is turned off on your iPhone. And after that what you need to do is just simply open settings. And after that what you need to do is just simply tap on notifications, and from here you have to tap on show previews, and from here make sure that you have checked on always, and then go back from here, and after that scroll it on, and you have to tap on battery, and if this toggle is on then you have to turn it off and then go back. And after that what you need to do is just simply search for messages, and from here what you need to do is just simply make sure that your Apple ID is connected with your phone. And after that what you need to do is just simply go back from here, and from here you have to tap on notifications and then scroll it on, and from here you have to search for messages, and you have to check on this, and then you have to turn the toggle on for this. Again you have to tap on show previous, and from here you have to make sure that you have checked on always default, and then go back, and from here you have to tap on customize notifications and make sure that you have allowed this one. And after that what you need to do is just simply go back and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem select is there, then what you need to do is just simply restart your phone, and after restarting I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.